the other night, pigs.
These big fellas are called pigs. Pigs are, I mean, are pretty cool. Are pigs are what we, some of the animals we feed on. And there are different types of wild pigs, from the from the collared peccary of South America to the warthog of Africa. And pigs are known to be one of the most smartest animals in the world. And when a baby pig is born, it's called a piglet.